Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for the opportunity to allow me to present to you Microsoft Lync 2013 as a unified communications platform for ABC Oil and Gas. My name is Tino Fenotti, and I'm a Microsoft Lync practice lead with Think Telecommunications. My role is to meet with clients and plan with them and perform an audit to then look at leveraging something like Microsoft Lync 2013 to build a business case and ROI for a communications platform. We have met with you individuals prior, the executive management team here, to go through a series of audits and capital expenditures. We now have compiled a summary here using this presentation. So quick agenda here. We'll do a quick intro to Lync. So again, a refresher of some of the evolving and changing needs of information workers and how Lync is really poised to meet those needs. We'll jump into some Lync features and functionality, some general features and functionality, but then we'll talk about some of the specific features that align themselves with ABC Oil and Gas's requirements, and then we'll jump into some enterprise benefits. So again, we perform the planning session and an audit of your current telecom spend, and we'll talk about some of the savings as a result if you move to Microsoft Lync 2013 as a UC platform. So what do information workers expect today? Information workers today expect the convenience of mobile productivity. So as 21st century businesses' needs evolve, the demand for productivity solutions on a broader range of mobile devices continues to increase. So we've seen the real estate of smartphones grow larger. This is obviously to meet the demand of immediacy information required, and of course the ability to engage in productive conversations or collaboration sessions with peers or with partners or with customers, and the ability to access contacts, emails, and documents from virtually anywhere with anything, being tablets, PCs, or mobile devices. These are some applications used every day. Again, and these are specific actually to ABC Oil and Gas. You're using Office applications like Microsoft Word and Excel, hosted video conferencing and audio conferencing, for which you're paying approximately $30,000 a month for. We're looking at telephony as well, so you maintain a private branch exchange or PBX today. Persistent chat, so you have open project-based chat rooms. Instant messaging, so the IM product you're using today is a consumer-based product, and what Lync's done really is taken an enterprise IM approach that you can be compliant, you can archive, and you can manage properly. Web conferencing and voicemail. So today's information workers are using a variety of products, just like in ABC Oil and Gas, to meet all these needs in the professional and personal lives. But for most companies today, and ABC Oil and Gas included, telephony, voicemail, all these applications all live in their own disconnected silos, and they're all segregated from each other. And each and every one has evolved into a separate operating platform or structure, and often with proprietary third-party technology, separate clients, separate authentication, and often the skill set for each one is not shared among the entire IT team to manage, which obviously increases costs for managing and increases the liability, obviously, of some of these UC platforms being reliable and their uptime being there as well. So Microsoft Lync 2013 is an enterprise-ready UC platform. Basically, Lync reduces complexity by putting people at the center of the communications experience. So really looking at the person or the end user or the desktop experience versus the back-end technology. And Microsoft Lync's goal really is to integrate all the ways that we all contact each other into a single environment using a single client identity authentication, while providing businesses like ABC Oil and Gas with the power to choose how they provision those services, whether it's on-prem or in the cloud or in a hybrid scenario. So again, Lync provides all the modalities and applications we discussed previously into a single unified client, which increases adoption, and then a single system which simplifies administration in the back end for your IT team. We talk about increased adoption. So the success of any UC platform relies heavily upon the end user adoption. If it's not used, it's not a great investment. With Lync, one of the three core pillars is ease of adoption. Again, leveraging the desktop experience that they ultimately own to make this easy to use. It's a modern user experience. One click to start an instant message, email, or call. You can manage multiple conversations with tabs in instant messaging, and you can share what you're working on with using file transfer. And again, all this can be controlled with policies by the administration team here. The fundamental value proposition here for Link is a familiar and engaging experience available across a variety of devices and platforms. So the experience is the same across whatever device you're using, whether it be mobile device, tablet, PC, or otherwise. And Link mobile clients actually emulate the PC-based clients. So Link mobile clients enable users to make and receive calls using a single consistent Link identity, the ability to join Link meetings using your built-in native calendar application with a single touch. So no longer using long numeric passcodes or PIN codes to join conferences, and supports full voice, video, and collaboration conferencing from the mobile client. You communicate directly from Office apps, again, tying back into the ease of adoption. Microsoft does leverage a lot of Office applications. You can see from the screenshot here, which is from Outlook, Sarah Davis has sent me an email with the subject line Northwind acquisition details. I can now hover over, I can see she's available by her green presence indicator, hover over her, start an IM, escalate that to a voice call, a video call, or a collaboration session. And now any modality I choose will have the subject line of the email right into that modality or IM conversation. Some Link enterprise benefits. So again, we met with the team here and we've gone through some planning exercises, but here are some general enterprise benefits. So again, the ability to work from anywhere. You're not tied down to a desk anymore. You can work from home. You can work from a Starbucks Wi-Fi location. You can work from a satellite office. You can work from within the corporate office. Basically enable and improve mobile productivity. You can now communicate in real time with colleagues, customers, and partners from virtually anywhere. You can enable new ways of collaboration with voice and video using, again, that single unified client. You can reduce costs related to video conferencing, telephony, and travel. Reduce costs through simplification and consolidation. Link is a software-based UC tool. It's not an appliance-based or hardware-based product. So we can leverage current investments in current virtual server infrastructure versus buying new hardware. We can manage Link with common and familiar tools. So again, Link leverages Active Directory and Exchange, a skill set that's already within your IT organization. This reduce the total cost of ownership with integration to shared infrastructure. So infrastructure being used for Active Directory and Exchange, we can actually use that now to install Link as well. At the end of the day, it really enables a path to UC and following your customer's blueprint. So basically, we build a roadmap with Microsoft Link and enable modalities or features as we build out and launch to your end users. Specific to ABC Oil and Gas, again, during our planning sessions, we've acquired and performed an audit on all of your telecom expenditures today using your segregated or siloed environments. And we've came up with these numbers here. So we can lower messaging costs. So we can save 50 to 80% messaging costs. We can reduce telephony and audio conferencing charges by up to 20 to 40%. Reduce travel expenses by 20 to 40%. So a lot of the executive management team here sitting in this room, you travel to some of your properties in Latin America and in Asia, when we can actually hold a HD video conference and collaborate over Link and reduce travel expenses. Lower real estate and facility costs. So through the audit, again, we found many small satellite offices that actually don't need offices. We can actually the users can actually work from home in the small satellite offices, and you can lower real estate and facility costs by up to 40%. You can reduce the cost of communication systems. Again, since we're leveraging existing data, virtualized infrastructure, you don't need to purchase hardware or appliances from Microsoft Link. We can actually leverage existing infrastructure investments. Improving productivity with Link. So again, we actually went through 200 interviews here out of the 5,000 employees, and we mostly with departmental managers and line of business managers, and we came up with these numbers. So now we're able to, if Link 2013 were to be installed and launched here at ABC Oil and Gas, we could improve end user and team productivity by up to 30 minutes a day across 5,000 employees. Complete projects faster, up to 10%, and shorten sales cycle up to 20%. We interviewed your customer service department. We can resolve customer issues faster by up to 20%. And you can attract and retain employees. Now, this does vary by customer. However, if you improve the work-life balance by offering the ability to work from home, then you can attract and retain employees. So thank you very much, and I hope you've enjoyed the presentation. I hope you've seen value in Microsoft Link for ABC Oil and Gas, and I I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.